To all my fellow juniors, I see you doing a lot of mistakes with these, so I want to kind of like talk about it, and once and for all, maybe you can understand it and move on. There is this concept about the short circuit evaluation, which means that if I put it in simple words, you see here I actually have a very good example. If you are logged in, which is the left part of the operator itself, means that the whole line here depends on what is on the left, and this is what this short circuit stands for. If this is false, this is falsy in general. If it's null, undefined, zero, empty, false, whatever, then it will not execute here, right? But fair enough, here we are logged in, so it means that it will log, right? In this case though, downstairs it's not the case anymore because is logged in is false. So to forget about that, now let's move to the ternary operator. This is actually a simple if else statement. It means that if here we are taking the age of 30, actually that's not reasonable, the age of 20, if the age is over 18, this is the if part, which is the left of the question mark, then your else, if basically this is working, this is what will execute, right? And this is your else, means that this will only execute if the age is less than 18 basically, and in this case it will console log that you can vote. The nullish coalescing operator, this is the most common mistake that I see with juniors. It means that here you'll see just one part, it's not ternary, it's just false value here, then this will execute or not. This is used mostly in React for basically showing a component or not. But the fun fact here is that this will only show the default value if the user input is undefined or null. If it's 0, if it's an empty string, whatever, that won't execute the default value. In this case, it is null. Yes, it will show the guest. Otherwise, if it's 0, then it is still falsy, but it's not falsy enough for this coalescing operator. Means that it will not execute. It will not show anything here, basically, right? And that's it. I mean, this should be either null, or you can say undefined, and that's it, right? And defined, and that's it. If this is going to be 0, there's going to be an empty string, there's going to be a length of an array that is 0 somehow, or negative, that won't do anything for you here. It won't execute the default value, and that's it. That's all.